Understanding, gathering straw, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, gathering straw. This phrase is not just about collecting agricultural byproducts. It's rich in metaphorical meaning and often used in various contexts. Let's explore its origins, meanings, and uses to enhance your understanding of English idioms. First, let's look at the phrase's literal meaning. Straw is a dry stalk, usually from wheat or grain, left over after the grain has been harvested. Historically, gathering straw was an important agricultural task, as straw was used for bedding, thatching roofs, and even as fodder for animals. Understanding this literal meaning helps us grasp the metaphorical uses of the phrase. In its metaphorical sense, gathering straw can imply a range of activities. One common use is to describe the act of collecting information or materials in a haphazard or unstructured way. It suggests an effort that is more about quantity than quality, similar to how straw is abundant and easily collected. How is this phrase used in everyday language? You might hear it in business or academic settings. For example, when someone is preparing for a big project or research and they're in the initial stages of collecting information, they might say they are gathering straw. It implies they are in the early, less focused stage of their work. It's also interesting to note the cultural and historical context of this phrase. Gathering straw has roots in agricultural societies, where the harvest season was crucial. This background adds a layer of richness and depth to the phrase, making it a vivid metaphor in English. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, gathering straw, and its place in the English language. It's a great example of how language evolves from our physical world to express more abstract concepts. Keep exploring such phrases to enrich your English vocabulary and understanding. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.